Boost sales and cut work time, AI tools every Amazon seller needs in 2025. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so Smart Scout is number one. It's an AI-powered product research tool that helps sellers discover trending products, profitable market niches, providing insights into brand market share, ASIN performance metrics. It's pretty much the most powerful tool that I've seen, right? So you can log in and go to smartscout.com. There's also a link in the description if you wanted to check it out. I believe they have a free trial. But AI Listing Architect, which is cool about this is you can build from an existing listing. So you can just type in another listing. Let's say you're trying to resell this item or sell something similar. You can actually see all of the keywords they're ranking for, utilize AI to publish different types of content, connect it to your Amazon to publish it right here, right? You can also see what keywords they're ranking for extremely high. So we got Shark Tank products, pack, original. So it looks like Shark Tank products. Shark Tank is a big one. Add more products details to help the AI generate more accurate title and bullet points. And it shows you examples. You can put this in here and then it can help cycle it. So let's see this button, reset text, generate text, right? So we can try to put ours in. Ours is the ultimate hiccup straw. Works for life, lifetime warranty. I don't know. I just want to see what it does if I do that. Now if I do generate product title, let's see what it comes up with. Got it. So it's basing it off the competitors, but it's really cool to see what they come up with, and it's great to just base it directly off the competitors. Patented. You can see all their top keywords, all their bullet points in one place. We also have relevant search terms and some other competitors, right? So all Shark Tank products, hiccup straw for adults, Shark Tank. So that we got a lot of different keywords here, and you can look at different ASINs on this. So it's pretty cool. They do have some extremely powerful tools here, but right now it looks like one of these, Ad Spy, utilizing AI to look at different competitors' ads, what they're ranking for, traffic graph, products, a lot of different things on here, which is pretty cool. But let's go to number two. So number two is Jungle Scout, and they've been talking about it for a while now. Unlock Amazon intelligence at scale. Jungle Scout's the leading Amazon seller software. It's one of the easiest softwares to use, but they do have something called competitive intelligence now, and you can get like a free trial to test it out. So we can see it right here, and it looks like it's called competitive segments. Build custom segments to uncover competitive insights and boost your revenue. So you can see right here, this one's making around $300,000 in the last year. And we're gonna click on it, and then this is what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to look at the brand, see your actual market share, your products, your keywords, your listings. Let me get this to load.
2,000 years later.
Okay, I finally got it to work, and it says, welcome to your first competitive segment. We have handpicked your closest competitors to give you a complete overview of the competitive landscape. And then now it shows you easily identify your product. The product you selected when created the segment is called a pinned product, orange highlight and corresponding ink. So you can see your market share, understand how you stack up with the units sold, and then they have different things. So they got the total revenue, total units sold. You can track your own product, track other competitors, but it looks like it's pulling different reports from within Amazon to give you this data, which is really cool. So you can see your market share versus their market share, right? Number 5, number 4, click a dot to inspect. So again, we can inspect, view product details, analyze their keywords. So we can really keep an eye on the top competitors and see what keywords they're using, implement it, view on Amazon, copy the ASIN. So we can view it on Amazon, copy their ASINs, and we can see the products that we're going through. Let me see overview products. the best sellers, the price, keywords. It's just a lot of data. So I think it's going to get better and better over time. But it is interesting and it is pretty powerful to have all of this, all their listings and reviews in one place. So a lot of cool stuff here. Number 3 is going to be amzscout.net. It's the first AI Chrome extension I've seen. I'm sure there's going to be more in the future, but you can see their Pro AI extension for Chrome. You can click on that. It's going to take you here and give you like a little synopsis of what it does. AI-powered Amazon product research tool, discover profitable products, estimate sales, and leverage AI insights for smarter selling. Right? AI makes the process of Amazon product research easy. So it's implementing AI, which is really cool in here. And then you can see it can have an AI product analysis. So maybe it can tell you how many competitors, how competitive it is in the niche. Should you resell the product? Where to find the product, the manufacturer to sell, a lot of different things. So you can check this one out as well. And then finally, number 4 is going to be this one, which is Xnurta, I believe it's pronounced, and it is the first of its kind that I've seen, and it's AI ads management. So PPC management for your Amazon ads. They were at Amazon conference recently, and they got well known, and you can check them out. And all these Warner Ads, Amazon Ads Partner Awards, they've got all these awards. Elevate your ads with AI Copilot. So pretty much about this is they did run ads for a brand called Sunny Days. Let's bring them up. And what happened with Sunny Days is they helped increase their ads by 408%. In just 2 months, the AI agents made 3.3 million campaign optimizations and saved over 50,000 hours for the team. So imagine that you have this special AI and nobody else has this AI, and it does 3.3 million while you're sleeping. It's changing it constantly to make sure your ads are showing up #1 and always showing up, which is insane. So while you're sleeping, the AI is learning, optimizing, and scaling. It's a real world success story. You can see it looks pretty darn complicated. Oh wait, DSP, SD. So it does all of it. Optimize across the entire funnel. Hybrid ad optimizations, best of both worlds. Blend manual creativity with automated precision to push boundaries and drive impactful ad results on Amazon. Oh, and here's the different success stories. There's Sunny Days. Here's the 408% I talked about. So pretty cool. And they've got demos on here. Not bad. So you can definitely check it out and see how these can all help your business succeed. But that's it for today's video. Drop a comment with any AI tools you think you should have. Drop a comment with any AI tools you think should have made this list. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, implementing tools, and much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on ends just to fix an issue. Let us do it for you. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.